The next time you visit a pick-a-brick wall, you might notice something different. Instead of bringing your Lego bricks home in a tub, you may be holding a cardboard box instead. LEGO are phasing out the pick-a-brick plastic tubs and switching to something more eco-friendly, cardboard boxes. These boxes are made from the Forest Stewardship Council-certified recycled paper. They make them a more sustainable choice over plastic. The new cardboard boxes are just as easy to use as the plastic tubs. The boxes will be flat packed, so before you pick your bricks, you'll need to put the box together, and if you need some help, there will be some instructions. By making this switch, LEGO will reduce their plastic usage by approximately 1,200 tonnes per year, which is huge. That's a huge win for the planet, but this change may be disappointing for some to hear, as the tubs are really useful to store and sort LEGO at home. But we do have to remember that the reason for the change is to reduce the amount of plastic used in the world. It's estimated that there is over 269,000 tonnes of plastic in the ocean, so if we help reduce that, then I think it's a good idea. At the end of the day, we still get the LEGO that we want, and the environment takes less impact. It kind of feels like a win-win situation. But thanks to Promo Bricks and Bricks Berlin, we already know that you can find the new cardboard boxes in one of the LEGO stores in Belgium. When you're buying bricks, the boxes come in two sizes, and when you buy minifigures, or minifigure pieces, there's one size. LEGO is committed to making more sustainable choices, and this switch to cardboard boxes is just the beginning. LEGO has stated they plan to make all their packagings from sustainably sourced materials by 2025. We've seen the single-use plastic bags slowly moving over to used paper bags. Now the pick-a-bricks tubs are going to cardboard boxes too. It makes you wonder what other things LEGO could change to better the environment. Do you have any ideas? It would be great to hear what you think about this change. Are you for it? Are you against it? Are you not bothered either way? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and as always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.